how to add the Samsung Health Sleep widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and tap on Widgets. After that, scroll down, then tap on Health. So here, tap on Health. And then scroll down, and from here, you can select a small widget size, medium size, or a large size. So here, let's say I want to choose a large size. Simply touch and hold and then drag it to your home screen and let go. And that's it. Tap anywhere outside here to save the changes. Touch and hold on the widget will allow you to create a stack or remove the widget. And if you tap on the widget, that will open up your Samsung Health Sleep. So go straight to the Samsung Health and then down to the sleep time section. So that is the widget there, allowing you to quickly track your sleep on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.